Hey, welcome to Obsessing Over Stuff. Let's talk about the recent video posted by Utsav Dahia, Rebelkit's ex-boyfriend. You're first this guy, then Rida, then Sufi. If everyone is leaving you, then not everything you do would be right. चलो बॉयफ्रेंड का तो समझ में आता है दैट ब्रेकअप हो गया बट अगर आपके क्लोजेस्ट फ्रेंड्स तक आपके साथ छोड़ के जा रहे हैं आपको ब्रेकअप करे देन कुछ तो है विच यू नीड टू फिक्स. So when Rebel Kid and Utsav Dahya dated, that was around for 20 weeks that they were in a relationship. They went to Thailand on a trip together, posting several vlogs and videos. But trip se aate hi they broke up. They both unfollowed each other. And Apurva posted a story saying that they are not together anymore. Can't wait for all the slut shaming and the gold digging threads on me. First of all, why will anyone call you a gold digger? You are more famous than him. He is not a celebrity. जब आप लोग साथ में थे, nobody would have ever thought that you're with him for his money, since you're a bigger influencer than him. Then why will anyone think that you're a gold digger after breakup? कुछ भी. Victim mentality हर चीज में. Then after that, Rebel Kid and Rida. उन लोगों ने बहुत सारे indirect ways में ऐसा narrative establish किया था that he was the problem. Rebel Kid ने एक रील में अपने ex को घटिया बोला. And since he's the only ex her audience knows about, they all just assumed कि यही वो घटिया लड़का है जिसकी बात करी थी and they all started giving him online hate. रिदा ने भी एक स्टोरी में कहा था never settle for less again. तो ये सब करके और clearly showing that he was the bad guy and उसी ने कुछ cheap किया होगा relationship में. First of all, if you guys broke up, why don't directly say things about your ex, knowing कि आप famous हो and आपकी audience जाके उसको hate देगी. Utsav finally broke his silence and wrote this song. जिसका नाम है My Cute Little Red Flags. So obviously he's addressing her audience.
Wish it on me for an eternity, and I just don't know what to say anymore. I heard there's a list of 89 to do. Stop spreading lies about me, cause I haven't told the truth about you. Just listen to this carefully now. झूठ पे झूठ क्यों बोलती है तू? Proving I just tossed a bullet and the bullet was
See,
you.
caption में he said that Rebel Kid had been spreading lies about him for eternity. She's been assassinating his character online just for her content. Just because you have a large number of followers doesn't give you the right to bully someone. See, now before anyone accuses him of for doing all of this followers and attention, I don't think अगर कोई attention के लिए ये करता तो he would have waited for so many months. Immediately जब ये सब हो रहा था, उनका breakup चल रहा था, तभी उस opportunity को seize करके he could have made the videos and songs that time only like other influencers do after breakup bashing each other. But the fact that he didn't want to do it for so long means maybe शायद उसको drag नहीं करना था ये. In fact, he also mentions in his caption that उसने Rebel Kid को and उसकी agency को reach out किया था to deal with the hate. But the reply he got is he is a nobody and he should feel lucky that he got to date her. If this is true, then it is really uncool. अगर उसको famous ही होना होता, तो वो internally solve करने का try तो नहीं करता. See, that is the thing. I don't think everyone likes giving away their personal information like this. It's easy for Apurva because everything she does, literally खाने से लेकर सोने तक, यहाँ तक कि अपने friends के साथ spend किया हुआ personal time भी सब कुछ उसके लिए content है. But it's not the same for everyone. So I think when you're facing online hate, which can get really depressing, there comes a time जहाँ पे you feel it is necessary now to take your own stand and finally tell your side of the story to the world. Silence is often treated as a weakness and guilt. See, nobody knows if he's telling the truth or not. But उसका जो तरीका है to tell his side of the story is really respectful. उसने कोई बड़ी सी 1 घंटे की वीडियो नहीं बनाई bashing अपूर्वा after breakup. उसने बहुत ही क्लासी वे में एक गाना लिखा just to tell that she's been lying. Because anything Rebel Kid says was indirectly targeted towards him. एक बार एक पॉडकास्ट में अपूर्वा ने बस इतना कहा
What's
था.
your ideal man?
यार मारे वारे ना
The Rebel Kid की audience started commenting all of this on his post. They just assumed that उसने उसको hit किया होगा. एक तो ये रिबल किड का जो फैन बेस है वो इतना ज़्यादा अंधा हो चुका है. दे हैव स्टार्टेड स्प्रेडिंग हेट अगेंस्ट एनीवन जो अपूर्वा के बारे में कुछ बोल दे. बहुत टॉक्सिक ऑडियंस है उसका. जो कभी मान ही नहीं सकता कि अपूर्वा कैन ऑल्सो बी रॉन्ग इन लॉट ऑफ प्लेसेस. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट सूफी. ऑस्ट्रेलिया में करंटली एक इवेंट में रिदा, सूफी एंड अपूर्वा साथ में थे. Since Sufi was not posting anything with Apurva, people started asking why. So he finally revealed that they are not friends anymore. सूफी ने क्लियरली बोला था उसको भी ऑनलाइन हेट मिल रहा था एंड वो भी रिबल किड की ऑडियंस है, बहुत बैश कर रहे थे वो. उसमें अपूर्वा ने कभी भी सूफी को सपोर्ट नहीं किया. यार इफ योर ऑडियंस इज हेटिंग ऑन योर बेस्ट फ्रेंड देन आप कुछ कुछ भी नहीं करोगे उस चीज़ का. आप सिर्फ एक स्टोरी भी डाल सकते हो इस प्रॉब्लम को एड्रेस करते हुए, दैट प्लीज डोंट हेट, ही इज माय बेस्ट फ्रेंड. You could have taken his side, but Apurva never did that. She never supported Sufi. Sufi and Rebel were really close. People think that everyone is using Apurva for fame. Sufi ने भी अपूर्वा को क्लाउड के लिए यूज किया. सूफी ने अपने कैप्शन में क्लैरिफाई किया दैट वो हार्डली अपूर्वा के 2 वीडियोज़ में आया है आज तक, वो भी जो कंप्लीटली अपूर्वा का कंटेंट था. He never used her for his content or his videos. See, I don't like Sufi and I don't even like his work. I'm not even a fan of his work. A lot of time, yes, he is the laughing stock, but he was a good friend to Apurva. Even when Rajat Pawar roasted Apurva, he stood by her in her video. So obviously, if Rebel Kid doesn't care enough to support him for the hate he's getting online, then what's left in the friendship then? Friendship is not just about traveling around, drinking together, gossiping together. Tip actually may when you need to stand by your friend, where's your bond then? Rida and Apurva made million videos on friendship. If he will not, she will types. इनका पूरा कंटेंट ही उस पे बेस्ड था at one point. But look now. So, if all these three have decided to walk out and rebel despite being so close, kuch to hai which she needs to fix and needs to take a reality check on herself too. Anyways, that was the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more. Thank you.